Hey, good evening. I am Mr. Bravo and this is Global Affairs Tonight. Today, we will unpack the most pressing geopolitical developments shaping our world, from shifting alliances to escalating conflicts. Here's what you need to know. Ukraine ceasefire or strategic stalemate. Russian President Vladimir Putin has proposed a ceasefire along current front lines in Ukraine, hinting at a possible strategic recalibration by Moscow. He may be ready to forego ambitions in parts of four partially occupied regions. Meanwhile, Washington has floated a potential settlement involving recognition of Russian control over Crimea, an idea Ukraine President Zelensky rejects outright. Still, Zelensky remains open to a peacekeeping mission led by non-NATO nations, which would offer a fresh diplomatic pathway. US-India relations, a strategic partnership. US Vice President J.D. Vance met Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to solidify a plan to raise bilateral trade to $500 billion by year 2030. This evolving partnership is a central pillar in the American Indo-Pacific strategy aimed at counterbalancing China and ensuring regional stability. Mid-East flashpoints. Syria, navigating post-Assad transition. Syria is transitioning after the fall of Bashar al-Assad. A new Islamic leading coalition is forming, with Gulf countries pushing for international aid and stabilization effort. Iran, long entrenched in Syria, is facing shrinking influence, while Israel establishes a buffer zone in the Golan to deter Hezbollah and Iranian proxies. Mid East flashpoints. Palestine, a Humanitarian crisis and ceasefire efforts. The Gaza conflict has deepened with over 45,000 casualties and nearly 500,000 people displaced. As ceasefire talk continues, Israel's blockade remains in force. In Jerusalem, restrictions on Holy Saturday celebration have drawn sharp criticism from Christian leaders, adding another layer of tensions to the religiously sensitive region. Mid East flashpoints. Iran, diplomatic engagements and the nuclear negotiations. Iran Foreign Minister visiting Beijing to reinforce ties ahead of the US-Iran nuclear talk in Oman. Iran seeks Chinese backing as negotiations resume, signaling a strategic tilt towards the east aimed persistent Western pressure. US-China tariff war. Global economic turbulence. The economic confrontation between the United States and China has reached new heights. With the tariffs now exceeding 140 on both sides, supply chains are strained, prices are rising, and uncertainty is rattling global markets. The IMF has cut its 2025 growth forecast to 2.8, warning that prolonged trade conflicts could tip the world into recession. President Donald Trump today has told that they will have some negotiations with China, and that tariff policy may be reconsidered after necessary negotiations. Europe's energy strategy. Building resilience. Europe is proposing continental-wide strategic gas reserves to reduce dependency on foreign supplies and avoid winter shortages. With support from Qatar and the United States, the EU aims to secure energy resilience aimed war-driven disruptions and green transition delays. Vatican transition. Pope Pius XIII dies, world watches the next move. Pope Pius XIII has passed away at the age of 89, closing a decade of leadership marked by climatic advocacy, moral diplomacy, and religious unity. As the Vatican enters its ninth day mourning period, Novem Dial's global eyes turn towards the concave. Two frontliners are emerging. Italian Cardinal Pietro Parolin, a career Vatican diplomat, and Cardinal Luis Antonio Tagal of the Philippines, a humanitarian voice with the global appeal. The next Pope may redefine the Church's role in geopolitics, social justice, and interfaith engagements. Canada stance China as a geopolitical threat. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has declared China the top geopolitical threat to Canada, citing interference in the domestic affairs and growing pressure in the Arctic. He also urged the diversification of trade away from both the United States and Canada and aimed Ottawa's own trade tensions with Washington. That wraps up tonight's extended geopolitical bulletin on the global affairs tonight. Here are your key takeaways. Key geopolitical takeaways. Ukraine crisis. Putin proposed ceasefire, Zelensky seek non-NATO peacekeeping. US-Indian alliance targeting $500 billion in trade by year 2030, countering China's rise. Middle East in flux. Syria's new regime, Gaza's worsened crisis, and the renewed Iran diplomacy. US-China trade war, rising tariffs, slowing growth, global markets on edge. China's bold stance, Prime Minister Carney named China as the top geopolitical threat. Europe's energy strategy. EU pushes for strategic gas reserves aimed instability. Vatican in mourning. Pope Pius XIII dies. World awaits a new spiritual leader. The world is shifting and the stakes are higher than ever. What are your thoughts on these global turning points? Share your views in the comments, like the video, subscribe for the weekly insight, and stay tuned with the Global Affairs Tonight. Until next time, stay engaged, stay tuned, and of course, stay awake. I was Mr. Bravo, and you are watching Global Affairs Tonight. Goodbye.